Today's subject is, first we have done the prayer. Now I will ask some questions and Maharaj Ji will reply them. He will explain in detail. So the first one is, क्या सतगुरु अंतर्यामी होता है? Does true master is omniscient?
Do you understood what the question? What he is asking?
Yes.
No, he is not omniscient. But say he.
Does true master is omniscient?
Eh?
क्या सतगुरु अंतर्यामी होता है?
No.
Okay.
No, he don't know. What he say, so simply whatever the things automatically he knows. But he has no knowledge about it. I myself have no knowledge. What you are thinking here, I am not going there. So think that. Automatically what you are thinking, so the radiation touch me. And automatically why I said what you question you have brought there. But I have no knowledge about you. Yes.
Maharaj Ji, but I have experienced this since last 10 days. What I think and what Michael wanted to ask some questions, you before asking you give answer to them.
And that is due to radiation. Radiation is there. So far I understood. Whether it may right or wrong, I don't know. But as far as I know, that no is omniscient. Nobody. So what is this is law of radiation? What you have in your mind, come to here, the automatic to seeing you, a radiation touch me, automatically I say you. Due to radiation. Automatic. You came for this purpose and that is this and that. Yesterday happened what?
Yes. My mother-in-law came here. She wanted, she was having some problem. Maharaj Ji told him the solution and Maharaj Ji was not knowing about that, and she also didn't tell him.
Yeah.
And he tell the same thing.
Even I say daily such things are happening. Yesterday the grandmother came here,
Mother-in-law.
and she has a problem that they were searching for the marriage to
See a girl for the...
See a girl. So she told that please kindly help so that we get. Because it is very easy thing, but one thing you remember. But the one man should be responsible for that. You are examining your, ask this, you come this and this, so many points. Then you cannot do. One thing, one man of you be responsible, tell them I shall do this thing and do not obstacle in that. And same thing happened here. I don't know about it. Her own daughter is very quick minded. Other thing I don't know about it. So he said this was the obstacle. So I told you, you need not want so many men. If you ask so many men, they have a different idea. One man must be responsible, he go automatically do thing. This thing. I have set example of my own. I have 13 child, my son. I have no problem for their relation. I go select the boy as a girl, told them okay, that's all. But there is nobody to ask me question. Like military men. Do and die, no after twice, why? In the army, do, go there, die. But you do not ask anybody why? No, sir. So in that way, I did. I go and search the bird and no objection at all. And all the automatically. So said this in 3 days you can settle it. I told her mother-in-law, 2-3 days enough for that. There are so many boys are there, so many girls are there wanting this thing.
Yeah, next is Sat, Alakh और Agam का भेद क्या है? What is the secret of Sat, Alakh and Agam?
You know, in concentration or is to the destination back, there is so many points here. Sastrakar, Onkar, Rankar, Sonkar, Sitakar. But here is the Sat and Alakh or Agam, 3 points. What is the secret of that? Asking. The secret is that they never destroy. Alakh, Agam or Anam, they don't destroy, but the others previously things all are destroyable. They are permanent. Get it?
Yes, got it.
Yes. You ask, you take, ask, because it is being recorded.
Yes, Maharaji. Sat Lok is also undestroyable.
Yes. Sat alakh ragam.
Mhm.
Three are not destroyable. Other point here,
Mhm.
Sastrakar, Rankar, Sonkar, Satyakar, they are destroyable.
Okay.
But that is not destroyable. If you reach the Satlok, that don't destroy, never destroy. There is a light, and you see the spirits are there playing game and happy. All they are happy. Always happy, happiness. There is no anything ungodliness there. Happiness, unhappiness, they are nothing in Satlok. That is why you previously say, Surg Maga, Surg. Surg means happiness. Narak means unhappiness. So here we are narak, sometimes happy, sometimes unhappy, sometimes happy, sometimes. So what is the reason for that? I already explained about it. What is the reason for that? Yes.
Yes, Maharaj ji. Next is, what is religion?
What
धर्म
is-
क्या है?
what
What
is-
is religion?
That is the way, since a long time, this is, or Rishi, Muni or Brahman have been telling like that. That is the way to be happy always. That is the religion. And sometimes happy, sometimes unhappy, sometimes happy. That is not religion. So the Guru, the perfect master, give us this knowledge. You be happy always. How technique he give you technique. Do like that. Always happy.
Yes, Maharaj ji. Next question is, Guru, Satguru और संत में क्या अंतर है? What is the difference between a master, a true master, and a saint?
I say there are three qualifications of this a category knowledge men, those who get full knowledge. Three category. One is Guru,
Master
one is master,
and
other is
true master
true master
and saint.
and saint, and other is
There are three: Guru, Satguru, and Sant.
Guru means those who distribute the knowledge.
Sant means he don't give
Sant means
discourses.
not to give the knowledge to anybody. Keep it quiet. And
Satguru.
ah,
Satguru gives discourses,
Ah.
spiritual discourses.
Satguru gives.
Yes, gives.
Those who speak this, that, both Satguru. It means he did the knowledge. And one is keeping quiet, but he is know all and everything. Equal qualification.
Yes.
One is able to, one is order to you give, and others you not give. Enjoy yourself.
Are you getting? Sant is having all this knowledge, but he keep quiet. He don't give these spiritual discourses. Satguru knows everything, and he also teaches this to the other people.
Understood? Please tell me what you understood. Give them. This is way of the teaching,
Yes.
technique.
Satguru is with God, and he talks to people and gives knowledge.
Oh.
And the Sant is with God, but keep his mouth shut, not talk.
Do not tell. Realize is same thing.
Mm.
Both one quality is man,
Mhm.
but he realize, but he has no order to teach other.
Yes.
Yes.
Maharaj ji, next question is, Satguru Puja kya hai? What is true master's prayer?
Satguru's puja kya? What is the prayer for the Satguru? Satguru means who give the true knowledge. So what is his puja? We suppose that he is all and everything. He is Lord of anything. He is the last master, last Surya. One is your God is in you. You are God. God, if he is God, then that is human being, all human being. And the problem is that he has no knowledge about it. He has no faith about it. Problem is this. तो सतगुरु give to you knowledge यहाँ पर. और आगे क्या था?
What is the puja, prayer of true
Prayer.
master?
Prayer means you are all and everything. You are the creator. Kindly take me in your shelter so that I will be. You pray to him. Suppose that we just pray in the evening and morning, but we thinking the living master as a God. Actually, real God, if you go outside, we have no approach there. Sun is burning very such heat. And before, after sun, there is a other thing. Where is such a heat that suppose a mountain is burning there. Sound, everything. So, very much heat. So, man is able to go there. He cannot approach. And here, in the side, when he goes this in middle, that is very easy. And last you go happy and mix with him. That is easy way, sweet way, no trouble at all. Concentration, and go to meditation. And he outside, the Satguru sitting with you. We can go and ask him question, whatever we like. But so for the God you go, to that God, you are unable to go there. This is the principle. Getting?
Yes, getting. The next question is, क्या सतगुरु से बिना ज्ञान लिए और बिना मंत्र के समझे उच्चारण करने से कोई लाभ होता है? Is there any benefit of repetition of any name or mantra without understanding and without taking knowledge from true master?
If true master do not tell to the other thing, some ideas, something, then he will not get anything. If he keep quiet, not. He gives the impression, suggestion. You have to get his suggestion and impression. And that, then you can know it, because within self you realize, for example, a child, somebody already have birth, a boy, and she did not give him knowledge, he will not be. He do not get any knowledge to impart to the boys. He is like that, he don't know how to speak. She says, that is uncle. Uncle, no, beta. Uncle, this is glass. Alas, no, alas. Glass. Like that she teaches the boy. If she do not teach her child, he cannot be. Suppose the child is born and you put in front of any cave of any animal, he will not kill him. He always live with them. And whatever they are doing, the animal so very do. He has no knowledge and he don't know the language. Because he not, mother did not teach him. So same way the Satguru give impression to him that you concentrate and there you will see a moon and a sun and such a thing and a internal voice, something like that. If you did not give that idea and you concentrate, you don't know about it. If somebody is there, you are hearing the sound, but you don't know what is this. So there is no impression and suggestion is come from outside. If the Satguru of outside, living master do not give impression, suggestion, you won't get anything. So he gives you impression, and that impression you realize yourself. So what is that? What you realize is, suppose that you see the God. Satguru said that this is God, this man is God. And you take him as a God always. Pray him like that. If you concentrate, the impression come in front of you. But if you don't say like that, you will also. Whatever you see inside, that is the impression given by the Satguru from outside. And whatever you see in the world, you get an impression from your mother, father and friends like that. And that you will understand, otherwise not. If it is not given you impressive ideas, before not told anything, you won't get anything.
Did you get the question?
Yes. Maharaji, do I understand right? We get your radiation, your impression, and we have your picture inside, and our Simran is the picture of you inside. We not make repetition of Radhaswami or the other words. This we do not do. Is this correct understanding?
Let me repeat the question once again. The question is there any benefit of repetition of any name like God, God, Radhaswami, Radhaswami? Is there benefit of repetition of this name? I was asking this without understanding the meaning of this repetition. And-
Let me explain.
Yes,
You say explain. that.
yes, yes.
Mm. What was the question?
Is there any benefit of repetition of any name or mantra without understanding and without taking knowledge from true master?
No, nothing. In the Ramayana said, I give
Yes.
example, you, not for him. In Ramayana, Bhagavan Ram Ji said to the कि मंत्र जाप नवदा भक्ति
हाँ, शिबरी।
मंत्र जाप मम दृढ़ विश्वास सा पंचम भक्ति भजन स्वभेद प्रकार ये शिवरी देयर इज नथिंग एंड थिंग इन मंत्र जाप राम 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 मंत्र जप विदाउट माई विश्वास विश्वास संप्रदाय का विदाउट विश्वास विदाउट फेथ विदाउट बिलीव इन दैट देयर इज नथिंग वैल्यू सो ही से मंत्र जाप है नथिंग एनीथिंग until he has not faith, he has not believed in me. To believe in that, then that is right. If you do not believe nothing. If you think something is good, that is for you. So nothing good, nothing bad as you think, so it is. Nothing good, nothing bad as you think, so it is. If you think bad, then bad for you, not for other. If you say that very bad man, but the drug man, this and that, don't bloody fool this. And when he goes his home, children, Papa, 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 happy. But it from you he is bad, but not for the other. Understood?
Yes.
Nothing good, nothing bad as you think so easily. If you think good, then that is good. If you think bad, is bad. That is for you. But he is not so true. It is your thinking.
Yes.
It depends, but that is for you, not for all. Universal truth is what? That is the other thing. Universal truth is that the power is in man. Power is in man's faith. If you have faith, then that also. If you have no faith, nothing. The faith and belief is all everything. The religion is based on the faith and belief. If you believe, that is right. If you do not believe, nothing. Suppose there is a statue here, and that is made of stone. I go and bow it. Oh, God help me. Oh, Mataji help me. This and that. I have faith, then I get that benefit. And I get. And if you have faith, then sometimes these pictures come in the mind. So did Mataji say, no, nothing. It is you make it. Power is in you. No, from outside nothing come. No guru come, no anything come, nothing. It is your belief. Not light come, not sabad come, a sound, nothing. Impression is given, that is why you see. The power is with in you. If you believe, that will you see. You are the creator all, you are Markte Alam Marde Fakir. You are the center of everything. That power is you. God has same power, or same power have you. What you think, this is right. This must be. This will be. Definitely. Guruji told me that you will success in this. I definitely success. Then you success.
आम सत्संगी शिकायत करते हैं कि नाम लेने के बाद वो ध्यान में बैठते हैं परंतु ध्यान नहीं बनता, ऐसा क्यों होता है? The common disciple complain that after taking the name they sit in meditation, but meditation does not happen. Why does this happen?
For that, for meditation is some qualification is required. Some qualification required. Suppose a was who is past 10th class, then he is allowed to go in 11th and 12th. If you work school education, then he is allowed to go in the qualification there. So is said in the, I told you,
They take the name,
qualification of disciple.
क्वालिफिकेशन विषयन से जो होए उदासा,
हाँ,
परमारथ की जामन आशा,
हाँ.
धन संतान प्रीत नहीं जाके, जगत पदार्थ चा नहीं ताके.
This is condition. First of all,
Vishayan se
you
jo.
should Vishay se udas. It means enjoy the sexual pleasure. Avoid it. That is necessary. If you do not maintain your celibacy, you won't concentrate yourself. Celibacy is necessary, that is a power with strong the mind, and you do out everything. If you don't maintain celibacy, weakness in you. Mind is not fixed. To fix the mind is yoga. Yoga is nothing. It is only to clear the mind. So many ideas are, so many impressions, suggestions is here. So to yoga you have concentrate and that's all deleted. इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं फिर उसके बाद वो डिसऑर्डर हो जाते हैं. समझिए मेरी बात. तो ज़्यादा आते हैं वो क्यों इसको लिए क्वालिफाइड नहीं होते. और they come there and meditate but cannot meditate because mind is not fixed them. So mental power is not good. Understood? And other reason also, so many. Paramath ki dhan santan preach jaake, and who desire have wealth in this world and concentrate, he won't concentrate. You divided mind.
Yes.
One side you want a lot of wealth, and one side you want to concentrate your mind. You are unable to like that.
Yes. तन इंद्रिय आसक्त नहीं हुई.
हाँ.
भूख नहीं.
तन इंद्रिय आसक्त नहीं. तन से you do not attract for anything, and मन से not. Mind से नहीं.
भूख नींद आलस जिन खोई.
You are not uptight. You are thinking about that, and at night you could not so say deep sleep. That thing, yeah, I will try to go and search for perfect master who will tell me this and that, this and that. I want to go. Book, uptight, and alles. In the night, you do not pray. Whenever you awake, you remember you, and think about that.
खोजत फिरे साधगुरु जागा.
I'm trying to see such a man, such a Mahatma, such a teacher, so that he explain him. Researching, where is that? As like you're researching, you have been coming so long time. You went to Agra, you went to Bias, so many places, and later on somebody said about the Sharpur's Guru, B.R. Kamal, you approached to him, and you are not satisfied. So you were causing, trying, and automatically you come. That is the qualification. Then the other.
Okay. महाराज जी, next question is आचार्य में क्या गुण होने चाहिए? What qualities, virtues should be in the teacher? I want you to please explain it in detail.
I have knowledge about it.
Yes,
Have knowledge.
I have, but I want you to explain.
I shall explain what I am telling to you.
Yes.
Have you knowledge about it?
Yes.
What knowledge you have? Tell me.
Okay. Acharya means who follow acharan. What knowledge he is taking from the true master, he follow that. He act upon that. He don't speak only words. What is he is speaking, that should be inside also. He should be clean by heart, by words, and by mind. If he is not like that, he is not acharya. He is not teacher. He is not fit for giving this spiritual discourses. Means he should be clean from here, heart. His mind should be clean, very pure. He should control our mind, sexuality, anger, hatred, and all these bad thinking. He should be controlled.
That is enough for. There's so many things there. It means that a man who is expert himself, know all and everything, he is acharya. Suppose this subject, not the worldly thing, this subject which we are talking, I am expert. I need not to remember and read the book. It is my daily work to concentrate here, and sometimes lost in, and sometimes in the daytime, sometimes 3 times, sometimes once a week, like that. But what I like, I concentrate and go the same state, senseless. As you go in the deep sleep, and again I wake up and come here. So this is no, and I remember this thing, depend. Need not to go, that is my work. I know it. So I need not to go this, that. He must be practical. Suppose a lady went to a Mahatma, Sant, and I sit, and after the sermon, She asked her, my son-in-law, yeah, my grandson eats jaggery,
Jaggery. Having habit of eating jaggery.
top it up like that. Then the Guru said, Acharya said, Mother, you come after 30 days. 30 days you come. She went. After 30 days she went again. The boy was very heavy and was already, but anyhow she took him and he went there. After 30 days she went there, then Guruji came. Touched of the boy's head and good boy, in future you do not take this Jagdari. Otherwise there is some germs here and you will trouble them. So please do not try like that. Acha. Mother, go take the boy. But Maharaji, this you can tell me the same day. Why you call me again so that I should trouble this and that? He told, Mother, at that time I was eating the jaggery. If I say the same thing, not to it, there no wait for that. I 30 days, I myself not take it.
Leave that habit.
Leave that. So up to this time I telling that he will be affected. So this is the quality of Acharya. Acharya, whatever say, he must be practical. Suppose that I am smoking and tell the class or the other, do not smoke, that is harmful, this and that, no weight at all. But if myself is not smoking and I say, then that is thing. So Acharya must be practical.
Yes.
Whatever he says, so is correct. He do. According to that, he acharana means karya.
Yes.
If I am practical, I do the acharana, and that automatically come. Correct? Anything end out?
The next question is, क्या ध्यान करने के लिए शाकाहार ही होना जरूरी है? Is it necessary to be vegetarian to meditate?
According to my thinking, no, need not. Suppose a boy is eating what his mother, father eat, and then city all eating the meat. Meat is a diet for him. There is no effect in that. But some drawback is there, and that is explainable. So whatever he eat, so is in him. Suppose he eat the animal, so what is the quality, what is the shikar or the meat eater hai, that will induce you. That will induce you. If you eat the simple food, simple. Suppose you eat egg. Egg is worm, and that quality is come. You eat the egg, then you have to interest of the sexual pleasure. So this is drawback. Drawback is there, but there is nothing. If you eat the meat and man is good, that's nothing. If that eating not affect him, there is no trouble. Because meat eater is also good man, not bad man. People they drink wine and whiskey. If they take 2 peg to take the food and deep sleep, that is right. No harm at all. So there is nothing. But previously told the Brahmana, you do not know. That was for them. But nowadays, there is nothing. No harm. Suppose you meet automatically, you know, automatically you think that why I should take that. I can live without the animals meat and can take the vegetarian. Vegetarian, you could take a vegetarian. But from my side, I think there is no effect at all. If the man feel like that, that if you give worm, suppose you eat egg, and your desire is for the sexual pleasure, and you feel, then you say, oh, this egg is harmful for me, because I eat this and I have discharged at night. In the dream, I discharge this and that. Then you don't give up it. But if you don't think that is sweet to you, don't bother. So far I understand. There is no hate. I was vegetarian totally. Office all meat eater. or all type of some meat he eat. Although I never heard that here he is eating meat and I am not. Same, because it is diet. It is his diet and take it. Interesting. No harm at all. Are you clear or not?
Yes, clear, very clear. आप सत्संगों में कहते हो कि आध्यात्मिक होने के लिए गहरी इच्छा रखो, लेकिन मनुष्य की इच्छाओं का तो कभी अंत ही नहीं होता, तो फिर इस मार्ग पर वह कैसे आ सकता है? You say in discourses, have a deep desire to be spiritual man, but if the desire of a man never ends, then how can he come to this path?
Yes. You are right. Understood all? You understand this? You? Who knows the answer of it? Anybody know?
Yes.
Keep quiet. Not for you. So listen please. Because most of you don't know, so I give you this knowledge. This world is of the desire. If we do not desire, then we won't get anything. So living in this world, first of all, you should be satisfied. You should have all the things which you desire. So in this world you desire, everything will you get. I should have a good house, that is a good one son or two sons. That's all right you have. And all and everything, I said a good car you have. All the things you have in this world, you are satisfied. And everything is there, but still you are not happy. There's sometimes trouble is there. Then you approach to the perfect master, religious master, and ask him, everything I have, but I am not so happy. Now I am not happy here. There is some, I always think so or something. For that man, don't listen me. Don't desire, he come desire after. How he has, if he has not, the desire is there. Suppose there is no food, then food we need. If there is no clothes, we need clothes. But when you meditate, the clothes come in front of him. I have no shirt and this and that cloth. But if you have all and everything here, this world is of the desire. If you desire, you will have all the things. If you do not desire, nothing. So in this world, and when you have everything you have, after that you can go for the meditation. No other thing desire you have. You have desire to get salvation. At that time you concentrate, because there is nothing other thing, and for that you can concentrate. Your mind is fixed, not wavering here, is there anything. Understood?
Yes. This is very big thing.
If you not understand, tell me.
इस संसार का कल्याण कैसे हो सकता है? How can this world's welfare be?
This world, where so many people are living here, how it can be improved, be happy always? How it can be happy? It is only the ladies who have given this knowledge that you try to get good boys, noble children. You demand, oh God, bless me with a good son. So he serve me to my family, he obey me and my family, and give me all kind of the pleasure. Then she will have the same thing. She born such sons. And that son is good. What if your mother have other demand, big demand? Oh God, bless me, good son. And so obey me. And for the all people, all my relative, or my near and dear, help all there. Not my only near and dear, but all the human being is in trouble. So kindly bless me with such a son, so that we help all the suffering, all the human being. So mother has demand very large. Because a man cannot help all the men, ordinary man cannot help. So her demand is they give me such a man, who either he is very good scientist, so that you improve some dying man can save, or some doctor, or prophet. the profit come, and for what the people are suffering, give brother, you not to do. So all the men, the mother can do. Conclusion is, mother can change this thing. So this education must be given to ladies in the academic education. From which classes they understand and they need for the generation. Before that, education is given to the girls and boys. So when I go in the university or the colleges, there I give this knowledge to the girls and boys. You are mature enough, you do not love the girl like that, otherwise your education will not complete. You have divided mind. If you so love some girls, then when you concentrate for reading, at that time girls stand in front of you. So if you want to be get good education and be a great man, then always one target at one time, not 2, 3 things on the head. One thing, I should get such and such mark, 100%. Try to get 100%. If you get 99, 91, 3, 4, that's not better. Get high number. So in boys and girls must be given this education in the beginning of time. Girls, mother can born such a son, so there can change this world. The IAS officer is from mother born, RS, scientist, political leader, all mother come from mother. So mother only can, if they desire for that, they should be given education in the time. That should be in the education, included one subject. I think so.
सूरत का खेल क्या है? What is the game of spirit? This is the question.
What is the game of
Spirit.
spirit?
Yeah.
To be always free, to leave this world, to go and mix with God again. From where he come, he go away. कबीरा देश भाई न्यारा लखे कोई नाव का प्यारा, ये दे कबीरा देश भाई न्यारा, जहाँ नहीं धरनी आकाशा, जहाँ पर नहीं चांद सूरज कुछ रोशनी नहीं, जहाँ नहीं धूप और छाई, गए देश वो जानी, like that in this
Yes.
in the Paheli.
Yes. Poetry.
This is poetry, but this is not. Really is that you did for Surat. So this is the care one. All you are seeing here is all care of this Surat. All the care, the God is playing in you. What is drama is going in this world is godless drama. Somebody cut to him this and that. We don't know. So previous life he murdered to him and he take it even. He doing the same, whatever he gives, so you take. At that we don't know. This is Surat का खेल. सूरत का खेल जिसे आए.
Yes.
सब चीज़ है वो तो सबका आता है. पूछो वहाँ पर वो कौन पूछे जिसे सूरत का खेल जिसे आए. कबीरा देश में न्यारा लखे कोई नाम का प्यारा, न योगी योग से पाए न तब सीधे जल जाए, सहज में ध्यान से आए सूरत का खेल जिसे आए. सूरत का खेल जिसे आज से.
The next question is, जीवन मुक्त अवस्था के लिए शरीर, मन और आत्मा की समता क्यों जरूरी है? Why is the balance of body, mind, soul is necessary for salvation while living?
Do you understand the question? क्या कहा आप बताओ? Who is ready to tell me what he said? Who is ready to tell me what he is telling? No. Asking what he is asking.
Maharaji, the question is for salvation living, जीवन मुक्त अवस्था के लिए balance between body, mind and soul should be there.
Yeah.
Body, mind and soul all should be balanced. Only then we can live a salvation life.
Very clear.
This is the question.
Yes, very clear. Body, you know, Surat, spirit, where live? In body, in mind, in soul. If they are not equally same state, something trouble, upset, then we do not concentrate. We do not concentrate, do not go up. First is the Suruti live in this body, mind and soul. If they are not healthy, he won't go there further. They must be healthy first, then he can go. He live. Clear?
आप सत्संग में कहते हो कि सतगुरु तेरे अंग संग है, इसका क्या अर्थ है? You say in the discourse that Satguru is with you. What does it mean?
Satguru means the jnana, knowledge, give the knowledge. And knowledge is given by Satguru. Satguru means if you want the Satguru is with me and you believe in this, that is you. Because God is in you. Satguru Samlyo, God Samlyo, the thing. He is in everybody. And if you believe that he is with me, he is with me. In whatever form you believe, so he will come in difficulty at a different time, he forget in any form and help you. This is daily example. This is Ghatna. This always the action take place by with me, and I see it. Those who believe, say me, sir, I was in very much trouble. And at that time you came and helped me this and that. And I did not, I tell, brother, I was not. But you are right, because you believe in me, so I myself come. If you believe in the Rama, Rama will come. If you believe in the Isa Masih, Messiah will come. But nobody will come. It is you who create him. It is you. You are the all and everything. You have such a power in your belief, what you believe that is thing.
Yes. The next question is, मनुष्य का रक्षक कौन है? Who is the protector of man?
To whom you believe? Guru. Guru means perfect master. Because perfect master give him knowledge. This danger is for you, you be careful. You are going, yes, I was going to train. No, better to not go. Automatically he must, but it's better to avoid it. It's better to be do this what today you go next day. You are protected. You know, he had to some incident happen and better to save him. The Satguru know better for you. He is always with you. If you believe, then he forget anything. If you believe in you, he talks in you, Vivek, that is called Vivek.
Yes,
Your
wisdom.
mind automatically utter you. You are all under say आवाज आएगी आप मन
Yes,
सुनो
wisdom.
wisdom आ जाएगी.
Are you getting? The last question is, शिष्य का कर्तव्य क्या है? What is the disciple's duty? चेले का कर्तव्य क्या है?
Disciple duty that he should be obey his master. Whatever he say, he do according to his saying. आज्ञा पालन करे. Obey the order. Ask the advice. Do according to that. जो कुछ उसने किया है, do according to that. शिष्य को चाहिए गुरु को सर्व दे. All and everything. Surrender. This is not me. It is all. गुरु कैसा चाहिए शिष्य का कुछ ना. Guru should be such a way that he don't accept anything from the disciple. Disciple should offer all and everything to the Guru. Give all things. And Guru means that he do not get anything from it.
Yes, complete, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Ah,
Any
and-
questions, please?
Maharaji, is soul and surat, is this the same?
He is asking that you told 4 things composition of man: body, mind, soul and spirit. So soul and spirit, is there any difference or are they same?
Lot of. That is the white color. That is the color. Sorry. And spirit is something else. Something is the part of super being. Spirit is all everything. Soul is in you. Body, mind and soul is you have. but you have no spirit, you do nothing. होश जिसको कहते हैं, एकाग्रता,
Attention.
attention. Attention is not then you are standing like that. When attention comes, you say, let me go this and do that and that. So when you recommend to work according to that. So there difference lot of. Body, you know the composition I told you, 4 units. And what is further mind, the impression, suggestion, so one kind that is the mind come, idea one went away, second come, third come, fourth for you straight there. He said, we study this and that and this and that. So I shall do this and this. I shall give him help, this and that. Some positive is to help make him happy. To negative mean to take revenge, to take him the lesson. I shall do this, I shall this, I shall beat him with this. Negative thinking, two types. So this is the mind. And a soul, you can say the
Light.
light in you. 3 things. Or 4th thing is spirit. Spirit is out of order. Spirit is not here. That the doorway this, from this door come and goes with this door. Spirit is not in you. So you stand like that. Like coma. You mean the coma? Like that. So spirit is all everything, and soul is the power, Shakti, and that is light. Do you understand the difference between both?
Are you getting? Maharaji, I will add something. In general, English speaking people, soul means the spirit. They use this word. But in Santmat, soul means light. And the attention, the God's portion, they call it spirit. So this is the difference in Santmat. Body, mind, and the third one is light. But in Santmat, light is called as soul. But in English people, the soul means the portion of the God. So there is difference in Santmat. Soul means light, and spirit means that portion of God. So there is some confusion. You must understand this.
I think sufficient today. You do not take any doubt. You clear all.
Maharaji, please give us basic meditation instructions. If I not meditate a little during day, I wake up automatically at night because I miss something. This normal film during the day is not satisfying. If I not meditate during day, I wake up 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and then automatically I see you, I feel this thing coming, and then I'm awake many hours, but I cannot sleep, I'm tired. So it's better to meditate during the day. When it's coming automatically, please tell us how to meditate.
I give you. What he is saying?
Maharaji, Michael is saying that when he go to sleep and don't meditate in the day, during the day or before sleeping, he wake up early after 2-3 hours, am I right? And then he feel uneasiness. He wants something. He wants to go in peace. So he wants meditation for that. He wants to cool his mind. So he feel uneasiness without meditation. So he is asking you to tell the way to be in peace, to be happy.
At that time, you know, knowledge you got from a perfect master will save you like that. Knowledge means you uneasiness. So you are happy, you are sleeping, and come happiness, and though all of a sudden you
Early in the morning.
uneasy.
Yes.
For that, the perfect was tell you that sometimes the evil thinking or the bad luck is in front of you at that time. Bad luck, suppose. And then you cannot. It will remain as affect how long, 2 hours, 1 hour, then you will energy. And after that, the bad luck is gone and good luck is come. it will be good luck, then you will be normal. So if you acknowledge this area, then you don't feel uneasy. If you remember that area at that time, this is Guru. The talk, when you remember that time, that is now, that is the Guru, Gyan.
Gyan, knowledge.
Man is not Gyan, knowledge is Gyan. So if you have knowledge, then you don't feel easy. Okay, this is for my bad luck, so that is the time for that, and it is so the effect. I should not worry for that. Oh God, bless me, good luck, help me. Oh God, bless me, demand. So when you go positively said, automatically after some time, it go away.
8 days. Today is 8th day.
8 days.
Yes.
So 8 days you got such a heavy knowledge, unlimited. It may you learn it 1 truth is life.
Yes.
You go from sometime go, sometime get, sometime guru, you no knowledge this and that. So this is the way, the 8 days you got so many things, so many doubt remove. And when you read the books, vagara, all the time engage with them, and read the, listen my sermon in the YouTube, then it will be very useful. So you need not come, you may get there. Sitting at your home, when you are easy, you do other needful, and after the spare time, you spare time best in that thing. So you get that knowledge at sitting home, which I am giving you, you get that. Or you, if you read, so book reading become easy for you. Your translation you will get in English, so that you read it. And that we are doing management for that thing. Try to management. Eh? He will try this all. He is a trying master. Because I told you that day, this for arrangement for that thing. The gentleman brings such a lot what to do we, and he put the offer. We don't demand. We have no demand. So we have duty to help him. So he will help you all and everything. Not for that your money. Money if you want to, if you need, you take with you. If you need for that necessary and to giving me, you feel something scarcity of money. You take the borrow. Okay, then.
Maharaj Ji is saying to have this much knowledge, people spend 10, 20, 50 years or lives. But in 8 days, you got most of the things here.
First, where is the God? People have no, this yet not decided. Most of the people are ignorant about it. Even the highly educated, high official, well educated, all the one are blank about it. So you get definitely very talking in you. Simply in you. He is not whole portion, little portion of that. So qualification is for that. What is God? So qualification you are. We cannot explain for that in the tongue by tongue. We cannot write on the paper for that. So how to do that? Realize. To realize that whole thing. Or for God, you have no words. Same thing, there is no word for your spirit. What is in your spirit, that is the part of that one. Super being. So actually, in other words, I say, super being is in you, there is no bad thing. Super being playing in you, and not everybody is him. Like a ray, he is here, and working in the sun of work of the sun. Clear? Okay, I am very happy to see you, and very happy we get chances, some chances in that. And next time, God willing, we will meet next. So tomorrow also.
Yes, tomorrow also.
Okay, thank you. I give them.